Okay, so I've got something pretty cool to share today. So this was a gift given to me by a coworker and a friend of mine that works in Japan, and he was visiting the United States, and he brought this from Japan and gave it to me as a gift. What it is it is a 21-step puzzle box. It's absolutely beautiful. When I first got it, I thought it was painted, and then upon closer look, I can see that all of the design, the patterns on here are inlaid wood, and it's beautiful. The craftsmanship. But yeah, I'll show you how it opens, and then you get a closer look that way. Okay, so let's see if I can get it open on my first try. Well, I've done this many times on my own, but first try in the video. Anyway, the box has a orientation, and that's a real easy way to get it mixed up, but I'm pretty sure this is up. Step 1, slide that. Step 2, down. Step 3, top. Okay, and 4 over here, goes that way. Then we have 5, this should come up. Okay, it did. Then we want 6, the bottom should, yep. Okay, 7, it's over there, we're gonna go out again, yep. So far, so good. All right, step 8, this should go down. It did. Step 9, this should go that way. It does. Okay, we're about halfway done. Now step 10, it's over here, so it goes that way. Then 11, it comes up. Okay, and 12 is here, so the bottom should slide again. It did. It's a real small move. 13, where's 13? 13, something goes back in. Okay. 14, this should go down again. Yep. Then 15, this should slide. Okay. 16, something goes in. Then 17, this should come up again. Did. 18, bottom should slide. Did. I think I moved something over there. 19, this should go out again. Then 20, this should go down. 21, it should open. Dun, da, da, da. There we go. Look at that. Okay, that, I did not know this was in here. Thank you, Yoshi. That's cool. So I got this box stuck, and I had to bring it back to my coworker and hand it off to him. That's really cool that I got this on video. I did not know this was in here. Big thank you there. That's awesome. So I got this stuck, and I had to bring it back to work and give it to my coworker. My problem was I couldn't get it closed. I'd get it stuck around step 10. So he closed it up and gave it back to me, and this is my first time opening it since then. So thank you for the surprise. That's cool. But yeah, that's the box. The 21-step Japanese puzzle box. 5 out of 5 stars. Absolutely awesome.